Good afternoon, everyone. How is everybody? I hope everybody's doing good. I just wanted to share this with you guys. So what is this? 2014 Cadillac CTS Coupe, CTS 4 Coupe, all-wheel drive, 3.6 liter engine V6. Folks, they don't make this body style anymore. Don't ask me why, but this is actually one of the hottest coupes they made. People love them. We cannot keep them at the lot. We sell them to different states. This one is all-wheel drive, 85,000 original miles with 2 owners, folks. Okay, completely serviced. Service is done. Tires are like new. Black exterior. It is completely overcast today, so it is a very nice black. Navigation, backup camera, heated seats, cooled seats, power seats, lumbar support. The navigation screen goes up and down. There's a separate button. If you just wanted to lower it down and you don't want to look at the nav screen, then it becomes like that size of a screen, and you can just, you know, see your radio channel or whatnot. Trip computer right there. Full telescoping, power steering wheel, in and out, up and down. Premium BOSE sound system. And this is a 2+2. The seats are pushed back right now. I just wanted to show you guys this area, but that's like a ridiculously far away right now. Digital climate control. Owner's manual is on the other side. Xenon headlights with LED. This is the last year they made this body style, so they are only going up in value, believe it or not. I mean, we are paying more than before because it's becoming more and more rare. Absolutely runs like a clock. Here she is. This is how they run when they're happy. Yeah, very, very, very quiet. 3.6 liter V6, plenty of horsepower, fog lights, chrome trim around the car. Those are polished aluminum rims. I'm going to start closing up so you guys can have a good look at the car, but here's a dash from this side. Heated seats and cool seats. I love that classic clock. The button I was telling you guys, well, let me show this first because I'm going to sit on there. No, I'll just sit on the other side. But owner's manual is present. No rips, no tears anywhere. The only thing it is missing, I don't know if you guys can see it from here, that's a back piece like this. This plastic piece, that's what we're waiting on. Other than that, service is done. Super clean. Lumbar support on the passenger side also. And that is the BOSE sound system. Owner's manual, remote start. So I'm going to start closing up. I love this body style. They should have not gotten rid of this body style. The car looks like a spaceship. The button I was telling you guys about is this button right here. Hold on. Right here. So when you push that button, it goes down, and there you go. XM satellite or whatever you want to be on. Keyless start. That's not a key, it's the knob. Steering wheel functions. She's running absolutely beautiful. Sunroof is not standard on these. This one does have the sunroof with the sunroof liner. I cracked it open for the video. I'm gonna go ahead and close this one too. Let's close the hood. And let's close this. Now let's take a look at this gorgeous body style. I wish they kept making this. There she is. 14 CTS Coupe 4 all-wheel drive. 85,000 original miles, 2 owners. Carfax certified, auto check certified. She is available, fully serviced. If you know us by now, we've been doing this since 2007. We only sell serviced vehicles. If you bought it from us and you need service done and you are local in Virginia or North Carolina, you get discounted parts and labor on all your service needs. For any questions on sales, service, and finance, the contact is trimaxauto.com, 757-222-0522, and Justin will be happy to help you guys out. Folks, she is beautiful. I'm about to end the video. Let me show you guys the high side. And yes, the shaking will be gone soon. I'm trying to pick the right gimbal for it. Beautiful. Folks, thank you so much for everything. We wouldn't be able to do this without you guys. Thank you for everything again. Seriously, we love you guys. You guys take care.